Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the second revision lecture for class 9 physics related to first chapter motion, and in this lecture today we will discuss about few more terms that is very important, and with the help of these terms we can derive formula for equation of motion, that is first formula v is equal to u plus at. Second, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third, v square is equal to u square plus 2a. Without information about these terms, derivation of formula that is not possible. So you must listen carefully about all the terms what is given in today's lecture. Just see what is the concept. First, that is speed. Concept of speed. First of all, listen. Speed having a formula that is distance upon time. Distance upon time. With the help of this formula, we can define also, that is, it is defined as the ratio of distance to the time. It is defined as the ratio of distance to the time taken, or in simple way, the time rate of change of distance is defined as speed. Let's see definition concept. The time rate of change of distance is defined as speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity, and its unit, its SI unit, meter per second. Formula: speed is equal to distance upon time. Yes, v is equal to distance. If representing by v speed, then v is equal to x upon t. X, or you say that yes, no matter, that is representing only one distance. Here distance measured in meter and time measured in second. So speed unit, that is meter per second. Speed is a scalar quantity and its unit meter per second. You can write here meter second power minus 1. Then after speed, next one is velocity. Velocity. The concept of velocity is same as speed concept. Only one the difference is what? Distance whenever replacing by displacement. Distance whenever replacing by displacement, then the concept of speed becomes what? Displacement, not velocity. Whenever we just replace distance, this one distance, by displacement, then speed becomes what? Velocity. Very simple definition. Just see. The time rate of change of displacement of a moving body is defined as velocity. It is a vector quantity. Why vector? Because displacement that is used in the definition of velocity, that is what? Vector. So it is a vector quantity and its unit, I will say that SI unit no matter, is also meter per second or meter second power minus 1. So velocity is equal to displacement upon time. This is the formula concept. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time, V, that is arrow symbol. Arrow symbol here, that is for vector quantity. For vector quantity, and displacement also for vector upon t. So formula concept and definition concept, if both are clear, then there will be no doubt. And just after speed and velocity, the concept of another definition sense in the terms of slope, I will say that graph concept. First of all, just speed graph concept. The slope of distance time graph. The slope of distance time graph representing speed and the slope of displacement time graph representing velocity. These are the important terms. The slope means here angle concept. The slope of distance time graph representing speed, and the slope of displacement time. Here whenever distance, that is scalar, then speed is scalar, and whenever displacement, that is vector. So the slope of displacement time graph representing what? Velocity, also a vector quantity. Just note down, very simple concept. Just after the explanation about speed and velocity, the concept of average speed, that is very important, and students are always getting confused how to solve the numerical based on average speeds. So I will explain in details the formula for average speed in two different conditions. So you will just concentrate your mind what is the basic concept of average speed. Just see, average speed means simple formula, total distance upon total time. In another concept, we can also say that average speed means what? Total displacement upon total time. In normal definition, we can use the concept of formula, but in two special cases, we use two different formula that is very helpful for solving numericals. So just listen about average speed. Average speed. Definition concept. It is defined as the ratio of total distance, or you say that total displacement covered by the body to the total time taken. Simple concept. It is defined as the ratio. It is defined as the ratio of total distance or displacement, no matter, we can take anyone. It is defined as the ratio of total distance covered by the body to the total time taken. To the total time taken. Simple. And what formula? Average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. This is the formula concept. Another way, VAV. VAV means what? AV for average and V means speed. It is equal to S1 plus S2 upon T1 plus T2. And the important to another concept that is also helpful for solving numericals. Number one, when the time concept is equal, then a simple formula of average speed always uses for solving numericals. Let's see, when time concept is equal, then the average speed of a body moving with different speeds, that is VAV, V1 plus V2 upon 2. This is the formula for average speed. It means in first 4 seconds the body covers, if distance that is 2 km with the speed of 40 km per hour, and in another equal time interval, that is first 4 seconds covers 2 km with the speed of 40 km per hour, and another 4 seconds if the body covers 10 km with the speed of 60 km per hour, then no matter whatever the distance covered by the body, but whenever the speed is given, and the time concept is equal, it means first time interval, that is 4 seconds, second time interval also 4 seconds, then we will apply simple formula VAV equal to what, V1 plus V2 upon 2. And then after this second concept, in second, whenever the distance concept is equal, when the distance concept is equal, and body covers with different speed, with different speed, then VAV is equal to twice V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Very important formula. Whenever the body covers distances under condition having equal in magnitude, then the numerical solved by this formula. Just see the concept of numerical. First, numerical concept. Very simple. It is in equal time interval. Suppose a body is going from A to B. Body is going from A to B, and here from A to C and then C to B, whatever distances, no matter. But here in t is equal to first 4 seconds, moving with speed 40 km per hour, and in further t is equal to 4 seconds, moving with v2 is equal to 60 km per hour. It means time interval here in moving from A to C, just listen only, in moving from A to C, if the body cover with speed 40 km per hour and the condition is what, time 4 seconds, during this 4 second time interval, and further in from C to B, again time interval is what, 4 seconds, and moving with different speed, v2 is equal to what, 60 km per hour, then this concept is given. Means time concept is equal, here time 4 seconds and here time 4 seconds, equal, moving with different speeds. Then average speed by using this formula. So average speed, suppose in this question you have to calculate what, average speed, then average speed is equal to, very simple, average speed is equal to v1 plus v2 upon 2, that is equal to 40 plus 60 upon 2 is equal to 100 upon 2 means what, that is 50 km per hour. Simple solution. Whenever the formula concept is clear, then you can solve out easily. And second numerical based on second concept, this one. Suppose the body is going from A to B, then the speed is if 40 km per hour, and when coming from B to A, and when body coming from B to A, then speed B to A 60 km/h. Here whatever the time consumed by the body no matter, but the concept of distance in from A to B and from B to A, that is same. That is same. Whenever distance concept is same, then you have to use for calculation of average speed VAV is equal to twice of V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Just see, average speed is equal to, solution of this one, average speed is equal to twice of V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2, and the formula here clear. Then 2 into 40 into 60 upon 40 plus 60, and again VAV is equal to 2 into 40 into 60 upon 100, and 10 10, this one cancel out. Then this one will be 2 4 8 is a 48 km/h. This is the average speed. In this case average speed what? 50, and in this case average speed 48. So just note down. Very easy and very important concept. Just after the concept of average speed and their formula in different conditions. First condition, whenever time interval is same, then the formula was what? V1 plus V2 upon 2. Whenever distance concept is same, then formula twice of V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. Then after this, the next one, most important topic, that is what? Acceleration and retardation. Let's see. Acceleration means what? Suppose a body initially moving with initial speed u, and then after time t, if the velocity of body increases and representing by another symbol v, then the rate of change of velocity, the time rate of change of velocity is defined as acceleration. Simple concept. When you just listen one time, then everything will be clear. Listen. Acceleration means what? Simple formula, velocity upon time, or you say that speed upon time, no matter, but exact concept will be velocity upon time, because acceleration means what? That is vector quantity. So vector means concept you have to take what? Vector in defining the vector terms. So velocity upon time, that is more accurate as comparison to speed upon time. So acceleration definition here, let's see. The time rate of change of velocity, the time rate of change of velocity is defined as acceleration. In other words, the slope of velocity time graph, the slope of velocity time graph is also defined as acceleration. Acceleration representing by a, where a is equal to change in velocity, the time rate of change of velocity. If u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, So then v minus u and divided by time, then time rate, where u initial velocity and v final velocity, a acceleration, and t time. Here change in velocity means what? We will get velocity upon time. Velocity measured in meter per second, and further dividing by time, it means meter per second square. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square or meter second power minus 2. Both are same, meter per second square or meter second power minus 2. Then after this, it is a vector quantity, and next one, that is retardation. Retardation means negative acceleration. Negative acceleration. Definition very easy. Whenever the velocity of a body decreases, then the acceleration produced in the body is said to be what? Retardation. When the velocity of a body decreases, a body decreases, then the acceleration produced in the body is defined as retardation. It means, suppose we have to apply the formula, then retardation, or you say that negative acceleration, that must be equal to u minus v upon t, because u is smaller and v is greater in acceleration case, but in retardation u, that will be greater, and v will be smaller. It may initially moving with greater speed, and then after applying brakes, the speed of body decreases. Then when we take minus sign here, then retardation a equal to minus a is equal to minus a, or we say that minus in bracket u minus v upon t. Very simple concept. So you will revise all the terms. If further any confusion, then you can ask, and try to solve more numerical based on each concept, either speed concept or velocity concept or average speed or acceleration or retardation. If any confusion, any numerical, then you can ask. So thank you. Have a nice day.